سڵای خواتان لێبێ ئەم جارش لە پارتی دوی یاریدا وۆڵف ئەمەنگ ئاس گەڕاینەوە لاتان پارتی یەکەم لیرانە جێمانێشت و تەواومان کرد زین ئەم جارە شوڕ
out for a walk. That's all. Damn it, I'm late.
ئەم کچە لە پارتی یەکەم تازە دەرکەوت بوو لێن دەرەوە ڤیدیۆکەمان تەواو کرد ئێستاش تەواوکەریوەم بەشەوە
It would just make my life a lot easier. Just please.
Sure.
You promise?
I promise.
Thank you, Bigby. I'll explain it all to you later. I will, but I have to go. Thank you for trusting me. Really, I appreciate it, Bigby.
ساکچەکە ڕۆژی وابزانم سێتوان چینە ناوخانووکە ئەوەی پارتیەکەمی نەبینیەوە دەتوانێت چی لەو لیکەی لە دیسکریپشن دانراوە پارتی یەکەم تەماشا بکات بۆی بە تەواوەتی لە یاریەکە تێبگەن ئەم پاسەوانەی خەوی لێکەوتووە زان چی ناو دۆڵاوەکان هەیە
Been a while since I got any mail. Seventh day in a row.
زانیمە چییە
Damn thing fell off again.
بیۆڵ
How much longer is this gonna go on?
اینجا بزانین چی ڕوو دات
You'd think the sheriff would get a permanent listing.
زانیمە چییە
Flycatcher needs to dust this guy.
ئەڵماسێت مەزانم تا هیچی چی نییە
You'd think the sheriff would get a permanent listing.
زانیمە چی بزانم زانیم چین لای پاسان کە زانیم چی هەیە
Hey, you awake? Probably for the best.
هەراگاشی لە خۆ نییە ئەم پاسەوانە
You'd think the sheriff would get a permanent listing.
شتێک نییە ئەمەش ڕابڕینە سەرەوە بزانین چی دەکەین
Bigby, hey, wait up. Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
وابزانم دەیناسێت I haven't
So,
seen her.
have you? Nope, haven't seen her. Oh, okay. Sorry to bother you. Damn it. Something's going on.
وادارچەکە شتێکی ئەم پیاوە بوو ڕۆیشتووە جە لێی پرسی وتی بیرتە وتی نەمبینیەوە چون کچەکە پێوت پێی مەڵێ ئەمە سۆفوە کە ناوەکەمان لە لیستەکە داوە
Damn, should have cracked the window.
بچێت شەیەکە
Why do I even own this? Should have got a smaller one. Damn it.
هەموو شتەکان بەتاڵە دەبێتە هاوبوون
Bluebeard's file. Never trusted this guy. Don't even remember ordering that. Probably a bad sign. At least this still works. Should help. At least this still works. Not again. Hey, Colin. Get up. Hey, Big B. I'm in your chair, huh? Yeah, get out. Got a smoke? Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me. This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this. The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there. Don't be a pain in the ass. I'll tell you what I told Toad. And what's that? Nothing. Because he knows better. Probably. That for me? Nope. The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes. It also would have shown everyone how different you are now. Nice. I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you. It probably also has something to do with how engaging you are in conversation. But, no, hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day. I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past. Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands. Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays. I was doing my job, believe it or not. Your job is to beat the shit out of fables? Sometimes I take them to the farm. Fuck you.
You think my job is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing. That's the attitude that gets you in trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not everyone.
Name one.
Beauty.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I told her I'd lie for her.
Right, yeah. That's real nice of you. Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time. I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
Wait, that doesn't
Just
make
give me a
sense.
drink, please.
Colin, enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I... Look, if I give you this, will you let me sleep?
Yeah, all right. Probably. Nice. You're fucking with me. Hilarious. I hate you.
Bigby!
Snow?
Come with me.
Snow? Snow!
What? Sorry, What is it?
Just slow down.
No, keep up. We need to...
Hi.
Hello. Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside. You knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right? Who was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown.
A working girl?
I'm a working. Oh.
He attacked her and I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
No. You don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
It's just terrible.
So, did you see anyone else?
No, no one.
No cabs, no Mondays?
Maybe, but no, I don't think so. I would remember.
Okay.
Big P, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on. Have a look around. We don't have much time before people will be coming through here.
She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
What is strange? What did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it. It's her ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
Huh. I don't recognize it.
Neither do I.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal. What do you want to do next?
Nothing much else to do.
We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Big P, do you have any idea what's going on? How did this happen? Why her?
This is a message.
A message? I don't know, Big B. I get complaints at the office all the time, but this makes you think that.
The woodsman threatened to kill her with me in the room. Maybe he wants me to know that he did it.
I suppose it's possible. I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. It'll just be worse if he finds out we held it from him. I know you don't like him, but he's our boss. This is part of the job.
Don't tell him. It'll just complicate things. I've got all the motivation I need to find out who did this.
He's the mayor.
Deputy mayor. The position's a joke.
I'll think about it.
I just don't want him interfering.
Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business.
What are you, blind? What, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already. You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like. I don't have time for this. Yeah, you and all the rest of them in there. Fucker. Accuse me of impropriety. Yes, I see. Because you were the one
bringing this to me, Miss Snow, the one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Don't
do.
interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
Back off, Hiccup.
I don't need your help, Bigby.
Instead of trying to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
Oh, says the man who is most to blame for this catastrophe. How convenient. Sheriff, you are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of you.
Bluebeard was mentioned.
Don't be absurd. Bluebeard is out of the country as we speak, so don't even think about accusing him of such a treacherous affair.
The guy has a history of beheading young women. I'd say that's something worth checking out.
If all you're operating off of is ancient history, we're all in much more trouble than I imagined. By that rationale, you're a suspect as well, Wolf. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow.
Yes? Sir?
Call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase? Oh, bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff. Or we'll find someone who can.
Him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better.
I told you not to tell him.
I know. I probably should have listened to you. Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and... Never mind. Smoke away.
Who gets a massage this early?
Crane. It doesn't really matter the time of day. A mere scent of stress and he's out the door.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully. Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe. How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
I'm fine.
Fine, Buffkin. Thanks for asking.
Buffkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, maybe the mirror can help. I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything. Hello, Vivian? Hi, this is Snow White, Mr. Crane's assistant. Hi, yes,
Magic lamps are pretty much just lamps, after the genie's been freed.
ئەم جار لەمە لێرە کۆتایی بە ڤیدیۆکە بێن نامەوێت زیاتر درێژی بکەمەوە یاریەکە بن لێرە کۆتایی بە ڤیدیۆکە دەین هیوادارم ڤیدیۆکەتان بۆ دڵ بێت لایک و سابسکرایبتان بێ نەچێت هەروەها گوڵەکە ئۆن کەم بۆی هەر ڤیدیۆکە لایکینەوە پێتانی بگات خواتان لەگەڵ تا ڤیدیۆکی تر